Here, you will learn why we keep trolling ourselves when we are drawing, when we are there in the moment, okay, I can make this artwork, but then in the middle we go like, no, maybe there's a lot of details that I still need to do. Maybe there's too much that I still have to improve or study to finally truly be able to get what I want. And I want to tell you right now, giving spoilers of the end of this video, that sometimes you just need to know to do the very basic, the stuff that you already know. Well done. Just to keep on focused into what you already do and do that more and again and again and again. And this artwork, art commission done to Aliras, I hope I pronounced it the right way, is what I did. Sometimes we think, oh no, there's going to be a lot of details still to do, especially because with these designs right here. Well, first I started just by setting up a base of the base colors of the characters, but it does not stop there. I started already to go into ambient light. Is it going to be a sunset? Correct. Is it going to be middle daylight? Nope. So I was already choosing, hey, do I want people to be looking here, to be looking there? Where do I want people to be focused into? Where do I want the eyes of the viewer to truly take a deep look at it and say, wow, this piece looks amazing, this piece looks fantastic. You gotta put yourself into what you would like to see, what would make yourself feel surprised, feel impressed, feel, wow, I must leave a like and share with a friend because this is a great artwork. And that's what I did. I thought that they receiving a light coming from the window, but like only half body, so we can truly see the focus into their faces. I was like, wow, this is such an intense emotion. They are so deeply in love, and that's what I wanted to show. That's how I wanted the viewer to feel, and I've got that by the end, and I truly felt happy with that. But what I'm telling you here is still not the main focus. What am I talking about setting up the base? How does we get to the how am I going to solve if I'm too far from the final results? Well, let me tell you right now, if you have a good base, a very good base that you feel at least comfortable with it, this is already going to do for you so much more than could have been done if you didn't had a good base. Because I can guarantee a blank canvas is much scarier than an incomplete one. The incomplete, well, at least a part of the job is already done, but the blank canvas not having even the main idea can be horrifying for an artist. The process of trying to get what you imagine into reality, that can be truly so just by setting up a base, it can help you to have a guidance to see, hey, maybe this is the direction that I should follow. Maybe through here I can get to the ending, I can get to the finished piece. And in this artwork I felt, hey, I don't think I'm going to be able to finish this fast. There is a lot of details, there is a lot of stuff going on, and now I can tell you how I handle that. You've gotta have strong fundamentals and strong art process. What do I mean by that? You cannot just go like, oh, I don't know what I would do, that's life, maybe detail the hair. No, remember how you did your other artworks. Do you always have an order to follow? I personally, I do have shadows, light, base color, reinforcing shadows and light, reinforcing reflection, and then I will go into details. And in the order of details, I will always start by face, and then I'll go to hair, ears, what is the name of that, neck, and then go into the lower body. And in that proportion, I have much more details, much more rendering. In the main objective, which is face, then compared to a very small fur in the corner of the canvas that truly no one is going to pay attention. Of course, it gotta look good, but it's not going to have the same amount of details and everything as the face, as the eyelashes, because they are the main star of this piece, of this fantastic artwork, because I love it so much, and I love drawing couples, I love shipping. Oh my, I love that so much. Leave a like if you like shipping, leave a like if you don't like shipping. I will know both ways. After adding the base of shadow, the base of light, and choosing the place that is going to receive more attention, aka faces, well, I will be merging my line art, my sketch, with all the colors, with all the shadows, all the light, not the ambient light, but with the light in the characters. Yes, that's right. That is completely right. I am a sucker for one layer painting, at least the whole character in one layer. I just don't do that, champs. I truly just don't do that if it's a level 3 artwork, if it's like a very hardcore artwork with crazy amount of armor and leather and accessories. If it's that crazy, okay, I will use more layers. But in the one that we are seeing right now, no, there is no need. Kaboom! Ka-chow! Here's the point that you might get lost. Here's the point that I get lost on my artworks, but I find a way back following the fundamentals. That's right. By following the fundamentals, I can see, oh, here I'm going to do even more rendering. Oh, here I'm going to do rendering also, but in a more soft way, not very detailed. Well, here I was thinking to myself, using all of my brain cells, how can I make this scene more interesting? How can I make this look finished? And I noticed that I needed to go to the next level. I could not just go into, hey, it's just the tails and it will look good. Well, maybe if you believe that, it can become true. But I thought to myself, no, we gotta have a foreground. That's right. That's why I did a white rose. You gotta have a nice background. So I added more stuff into the background. And I did a nice middle ground, those sparkles and effects, and wow, they are so much in love, cute, fantastic. That's what I did. It's important to think outside the box. Sometimes we are so much into, I gotta detail that fur, that very specific fur. I gotta do the very best on the shoulder. Everyone gonna think that, let's say the anatomy of the torso is wrong. Everyone gonna think that, I don't know, the tail is wrong, the hand is wrong, the chest is wrong, any part you can think of. And I gotta tell you, champs, that maybe your piece is more than that. Your piece is a whole process, is a lot going on. So please take a look at the bigger picture, because the bigger picture is indeed what we want to make our viewers' eyes get bright and fantastic and go like, wow, I want someday to draw like that. Or to just take a look at our artwork and think, hey, look at this detail and this other thing and this other thing. Sometimes we want to inspire, sometimes we want to express ourselves, and that's what we must do when we are painting and drawing. I want you to put your all, because deep down we know some very good techniques, but we just don't use. And that's exactly what I remembered in this artwork. I know some very good techniques like the sparkles and everything, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it. Why I did not make it in other drawings? Oh yeah, let's use it. It's a fantastic technique, especially for in love romantic pieces. By the way, would you like me to bring what kind of video artwork here more into couple scenes, more into war and bloody scenes, or you want more emotional and personal artwork, or you just want me drawing fan arts? Tell me in the comments, because I truly want to know, what do you, champ, want me drawing more and want to see in this channel, because this channel is made for you, not only for me, it's for you. That's right. So thank you so much for watching and being to this point with me. If you like this drawing so much that you must learn the techniques that I used, well, link in the description for my full art course, and probably the full art process of this drawing, it's going to be there. Thank you very much. Have a great day, a great night, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. All the love, all the peace, champ. See ya.